Okay, so this is week 20. But this is the last time we're gonna see this like this. So today they have popped some screed down on the floor to level it out. In here and in here. What is that? Don't actually know what that is. But yeah, because the kitchen is arriving tomorrow. Oh my God, it's like Christmas Day. It's like Christmas Day. So yeah, that's all level now, ready for the kitchen. So this is the last time I'm gonna see it empty like that. And then over here, we've had some progress, which makes it feel like really real, but with the media unit. So this is our stove, and that will be going in there, and then our telly will be going above. It's just, it feels a bit more real now, because you can kind of like imagine just sitting here with a cup of tea, or actually a glass of bloody wine at this rate, and watching telly there. And that's how much room there'll be between the stairs and the media unit. And there's, I'm hoping to have like a chair there, sofa there. And then it's funny that they've laid that out like that, because we're thinking about having like a bench. I'm trying to think of the word. It's not like a bench, but you know when you go to a restaurant and you have like the booths, bench seating. We want that there with maybe like a large table there. Then you can pop the chairs under there, and then you've got all this like floor space then. And the island is going to be there. So yeah, that's what we had done today. Okay guys, so this is the kitchen. Washing machine, self-cleaning oven, which is a must because there's only one person in this house who cleans ovens, and that's me. And then, oh, this is, oh, that has actually got a little nick on it. Oh no. So there's the fridge. There's another cabinet. Scuffed. So yeah, we had loads and loads of cabinets everywhere, which was really exciting, but yeah, this is how it was looking. But on the same day, we also had quite a lot of cladding done. So this is the one side that's kind of like finished, and then this is the other side that got started. Okay, so today is Thursday. Did I film anything yesterday? I'm not sure, but I was in a car accident yesterday. I'm fine, but my car is not. So yeah, I'm having a bit of a freaky week. But one good thing that's going on this week is the kitchen has begun, and I am so excited. So yeah, this is the first day of kitchen installation. So yeah, so what we've got is bins are gonna go here. Oh. Don't think that one's screwed to the wall. Is that one screwed to the wall? I don't know, to be honest. But okay, so we've got the bins there. Dishwashers go in there. Okay, sorry, I just had to get the dog to stop barking. Yes, we've got the bins go in there, dishwasher go in there, sink here. This will be, I don't know what this is actually. Nothing. Surely that's not nothing. What does it say on the plan? 600. Okay. That is another cupboard with just nothing. And then this is obviously going to be, oh God, I'm just not going to touch anything. This is obviously going to house the oven. We've got base unit here with just whatever. We've got the hob going here. And this is whatever as well. And then here is these drawers here. And then also we've got the wine cooler to go on the end as well. Then this one's recessed out like this because it's got to house the boiler and the steel beam. So yeah, and then these two are just, oh, that's a fridge freezer. Then that one is just a normal cupboard. These are the hidden doors. And in here is the utility rooms. Okay, so I've come to the storage unit to pick up some rugs because I have a feeling that I might put a temporary bed set up upstairs in a few days. Okay, so the plasterers did come back and they started doing the reveals around here, but I just don't know why they didn't do that section. It just means like we can't paint, but they redid this wall and they still haven't done that. Just looking forward to getting all the plastering done upstairs so that we can complete the painting. I mopped the floor yesterday. You can kind of see the difference, like I mopped by there and not by there, so I'm going to mop the rest of it. But I went to our storage lockup and picked up some rugs because I kind of want to get this room to a stage in the next week where if we wanted to stay up here we could. And basically if Alex goes on a night out and he's too pissed, I can kick him upstairs. The main objective. So yeah, I am just gonna fill in all the little nail holes with a bit of wood filler. Annoying that it's in a really dark colour, but we're gonna paint it. And then I've got decorator's caulk so that we can fill in the gaps. I'll just show you the type of stuff. So yeah, there's like big gaps there that need filling, and all these little nail holes. There's quite a lot of them. So they all just need to be filled, and then once they're all filled, they need to be sanded down. This is the type of job that I absolutely cannot stand doing. So yeah, not looking forward to it really, but we'll get on to that today. And yeah, I'm really tired today. I just don't know what it is. It's really raining and it's like the first day of like not having any plans. I'm just being stuck in that garden room. I think I'm just tired of it all really. But yeah, so I am hoping that this room soon will look a bit habitable. This is all our clothes here. Literally we've been living out of these boxes for like 6 months now, so looking forward to hanging up my blazers. But that looks weird. That doesn't look in properly, does it? You saw me in last week's episode miscoat the reveals, so they need to be painted, and then once they're painted I could take this off, which will make it feel a little less like a building site room. But yeah, looking forward to having this. Also, our storage unit comes to an end 11th of October. And we need to start getting some stuff back. So I think this will be the room it gets lobbed into. So yeah, this is another room that we could potentially finish with the caulk and filler and mop it and then start storing stuff in here as well. But I did put the heating on yesterday and I noticed that that looks like it's freshly dripping, so need to sort that out. Our tiles look a little bit ruined here. Oh yeah, I don't think I showed you actually. We've kind of had the vanity unit put on the wall, which is nice to see. Just need to attach these up on the top there so that it's completely secure. And I've asked my builder to help with this issue, so we'll see how that looks. I just hope it's resolvable because I do not want a vanity unit that doesn't work. So yeah, that's how upstairs is looking. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be doing any filling today. So I got my wood filler out and it's rock solid. So I think we're just going to caulk around the sides, give it a paint, and then, like, I don't know. Okay, so we've gone around and done a first, well, an only layer of caulk, but there were just some spots where there were some big gaps, so we've gone through 2.5 bottles of caulk. Yeah, it's looking all right. So now I don't want to gloss anything in this house because I hate gloss. So what I'm gonna do is, while I wait for an order from Lick, we're gonna do the rest of these in Dulux Eggshell Pure Brilliant White. So we can be a little bit messy, don't have to, you know, be too careful with cutting it or anything. And yeah, it's just white, so let's get cracking with that. Okay, so that's it for this week. We had a major milestone having the kitchen delivered. Here I am in the kitchen posing, pretending I'm not cooking. And Hugo also loved the kitchen as well. But yeah, really good week, and stay tuned for next week because obviously more of the kitchen gets installed and it's starting to really come together. And thanks so much for watching.